Why you should choose iCarsoft LR V4.0 Full Systems Bidirectional Diagnostic Scan Tool for Land Rover and Jaguar, 1996 to 2023. The iCarsoft LR V4.0 Full Systems Diagnostic Scan Tool is a powerful and versatile solution for advanced vehicle diagnostics on most Land Rover and Jaguar models from 1996 to 2023. Built as an upgrade to the LR V3.0, this professional OBD2 scanner allows users to download and activate 2 additional vehicle brands from a selection of 26 manufacturers, making it a flexible diagnostic platform for multi-car households or workshops. This scan tool delivers true all-system diagnostics, allowing you to scan and analyze engine, transmission, ABS, SRS, body control, and more. Its bidirectional control feature enables active testing of key components such as injectors, fuel pumps, cooling fans, ABS motors, HVAC systems, throttle actuators, and door locks, helping you quickly pinpoint faults. The LR V4.0 also supports up to 39 reset services for Land Rover and Jaguar, including oil reset, EPB, TPMS, battery registration, injector coding, and VIN verification. With OE-level OBD2 functions: auto VIN detection, live data graphing for up to 118 parameters, and comprehensive fault code definitions, the iCarsoft LR V4.0 is an excellent choice for serious DIY users and professionals looking to save time and repair costs. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching my video. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.